Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the brand new ColourPop Peach. What is it called? The Big Old Peach collection. I know I usually get these videos up before the collection launches, but I just honestly have been busy and I just haven't had time, so I'm a little late, so I'm sorry, but we're getting around to it today and I will try to have this video up today or tomorrow. So would it be a new week if we didn't have a new ColourPop release? I'm excited about the packaging. The packaging in this collection is super cute. It's kind of give you guys an overview of the collection. If you guys don't know how my little ColourPop review collections go, I always kind of do an overview, include some swatches, do a little tutorial with the collection, and then I will give you guys my review of the entire collection at the end of the video. Yeah, before we get into it, if you guys didn't know already, I do have a code with ColourPop. It is just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off your purchase. There are some exclusions and I honestly don't really know exactly what the exclusions are. I know it's like discounted things and stuff like that, but it doesn't hurt to just put it in at checkout and see what it takes the money off of. Anyways, let's get into this collection. So the first thing we have is the Baby Got Peach palette. Design and the packaging, everything is seriously so cute. So this is a little 9-pan palette and the packaging is just super cute, and this is what the inside looks like. Palette, very peachy, very looks like it's for the everyday person. Neutral peachy tones. This palette is for you. These remind me a little bit of Sweet Talk. If I have my swatches of Sweet Talk, I will insert them in the video as well, just so you guys can kind of see the similarities with them. This retails for $12, just like all of the other 9-pan palettes. I believe all of these are new shades except for Hungry Ghost, the little pressed glitter in here. That one is an existing shade already. So the next thing is the You Want a Peach of Me Super Shock Trio. The name of this is super cute and I love that they did a little trio of Super Shock shadows. And in here, this is going to retail for $15. I believe two of these are not new shades. ColourPop Cold's Instagram story, and she said that I think it was in Access that was part of the Vault. So we have In Access, which is the shade right here. The packaging is so cute. It's also peach and it has a little peach on the front of the shadow. So that's In Access. And then we have 6 AM, which is a more peachy kind of shade. The packaging perfectly. And then the new one is Golden Hour, and it's just a really pretty yellowy gold shade. This shade reminds me of Cheap Date. That is like my favorite Super Shock shadow from ColourPop, so it reminds me of that one a lot. These are all ultra metallic Super Shocks. The next thing in the collection is the Nothing On BFF Duo. So this comes with the BFF mascara and liquid liner. We have Brownie Points, which is an existing BFF mascara. It's the brown mascara. And then we have a brand new liquid liner. It's a brown liquid liner, and this one is in the shade Grande. It retails for $15. Next thing we have is the Bellini BB Lippy Bundle. This is retailing for $12, and this comes with the Lippy Balm and a Lippy Scrub. So this is them right here. I'm actually not going to open these because if you guys don't know this already, I am super allergic to chapsticks and certain lip balms. Unfortunately, this is one of the lip balms I am allergic to. It's not anything against ColourPop. It's just my stupid lips and I'm allergic to everything. So something in lip balms and chapsticks, I don't even know what it is, but it always makes my lips swollen. And I have tried the lippy balms before. They are nice. The formula is really good, and the like little tint to them is really nice too. Unfortunately, this is actually what made my lips swollen. Was it like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? So yeah, I will not be using that, but it is a good formula, and if you're not like me and I'm not super sensitive to everything that you touch, this is a really cute little bundle, and I love the packaging on this one again. And I do love the lippy scrubs. I have a bunch of them and I love them. I use them all the time. Next thing we have are 3 new pressed powder blushes. These are retailing for $8 each, and the packaging is my favorite thing. The little outer packaging right here, and the actual component itself has the same packaging. It is so cute, and I just love that everything is peach in here. It's just cute. How many times can I say cute in this video? We have this shade, which is Frisky Business. This one is a really light peachy shade. Then we have Fresh and Peachy, which is a more like true peach blush. We have Perk Up, which is a more nude peach. But this one reminds me a lot of the nude blush that Kathleen came out with. I didn't use it on, so I don't know if it's exactly the same color, but that is what it reminds me of. These ones are all matte blushes. And lastly, we have the Peach Please Just a Tint Lip Duo. This is retailing for $12. You guys know I love the Just a Tint lippy balms. I wear them every single day. This little bundle we have Rise and Shine and Give Me S'more. Love the Just a Tints. I always recommend them to everyone. They're like probably one of my favorite products from ColourPop. They're amazing. I love it. So I'm really happy that they put one of these in the collection. That is everything in this collection. This collection has launched already. I will link the collection down below. Like I said, you guys can use my code in at checkout and see what it works on. We'll give you guys my overall thoughts at the end of the video, but that is pretty much the overview of this collection. If you guys want to see a little tutorial using the products from this collection and just hear my thoughts and my little review at the end of the video, then just keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are already primed and I'm just gonna do, I don't know, I kind of just want to do like a really simple look because that's what I'm getting from this palette. Start off with this shade Perky because it looks really unique. Honestly, it's like a really pretty muted peach. I want to move my clips. I feel like I look weird. There we go. But yeah, it looks like a really like pretty, not too orange but not too pink, but also not too like bright. I'm gonna start off with this shade. Actually comes off a little bit more orange on the eye, like a lot more orange on the eye, but it's not like super orange. Like it's still a really pretty color, but it looks a lot like muted, more muted in the pan. It's a really pretty color. Yeah, I would say that this color is like the actual color of like a peach, like an actual peach. I think I'm gonna take the shade Half Baked. It's the like only like really brown in this palette. It's just like a beige too, but like a brown to deepen anything up. That's like the only one. So I'm just putting that on the outer corner. I don't really know how I feel about like peachy eyeshadows. Like I don't really reach for peachy eyeshadows like ever. So like that brown kind of toned it down a little bit. The only thing that I will say is that like this brown does kind of get like just sucked into the peach shades because it is such a lighter brown that the other colors kind of overpower it. So there isn't really anything in here to like deepen up the outer corner or anything like that like I usually like to. So this is pretty much it. Pop into the little Super Shock Shadow Trio. This packaging is literally adorable. I love this, and I love that the like actual shadows are in like this peach packaging. It's really cute. So out of the three, I really want to use 6 AM. This is the peachy one. 6 AM is the one that really goes with this eye look, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to put that on my lid with my finger. Take my brush. This is just a Sigma F70, and just get like really into this inner corner over here. I am actually going to take a little bit of an axis with this brush as well, and I'm going to put that towards like the center and towards like the outer part of my eye because it has some like really pretty glitter in it. In Axis shade is really pretty. It has a lot of sparkle in it, and it's a really pretty, it's not like too coppery or anything, it's just like a really nice color. The brush that I was using Half Baked with to just kind of blend that together so there's no harsh lines or anything. Okay, so I went ahead and did my other eye as well as the rest of my like foundation and bronzer and stuff off camera. So moving on to probably the item I'm most excited for, and that is the blushes. You guys know I love blush and I love peach blush, so this is right up my alley. There's a blush in here that is super light, which I don't think I'm going to use that one today. That one's really light. And then we have Fresh and Peachy, which I think is the one that I'm going to use. This on a Makeup Shack blush brush. I don't know. There's no name on it. So let's see. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. I just like, I don't know. There's something about like matte blushes that like, I just want to add shimmer to it, you know? This is a really pretty color. If you're like me and you like those same kind of like peachy blushes, like Milani Luminoso, like those kind of blushes, that's my favorite blush. This one is the blush for you. It's really pretty. If you liked Milani Luminoso, but you don't want it to be super shimmery, like you want it to be matte, this is like that color. I should not talk while putting on blush. I feel like I've put a lot on now, but it's fine. I'm gonna take the brush that I like set my under eyes with and just kind of like blend that out. I feel like I put on way too much. That's it for the face stuff. I'll finish up the lower lash line. I'm probably just going to use the same shades that I used on top. So starting off with Perky. I'm going to add a little bit of Half Baked, which was the brown, and just mix that. Shade right here called Ready or Yacht. It's such a pretty color. I want to put this in. Yes, I knew it was going to be a really pretty bright inner corner shade. Yes, that's exactly what I like in an inner corner highlight. I like it really nice and bright. I also have the new Nothing On BFF mascara and liner duo. So it has brownie points. This is a new liquid liner. It's in the shade Grande. It's a brown liquid liner. So I'm just going to put this like on just like a small little line on my lash line. Actually really pretty. I've never really used brown eyeliner before, but I actually really like this because sometimes the black does look a little harsh on like certain eye looks. So I like this, and I really like the ColourPop liner formula. I use the black one all the time. Went ahead and I was going to apply the brown mascara, but I know I have it and I just can't find it, and I don't want to open a new one for no reason, you know. Just applied the regular black mascara, but I have used brownie points before, and it is a nice brown mascara. I'm not somebody that really uses brown mascara, but it is nice if you do use it, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lips, and we do have the Peach Please Just a Tint lip bundle. You guys know I love the Just a Tint, so I was really excited for this. I'm not going to open this new one because I do have these shades already. They are existing shades, so it's Rise and Shine and Give Me S'more. I think I'm going to put on, let's see what Give Me S'more looks like on. Let's just mix the two, honestly. Let's see what they look like mixed. Okay, so yeah, I mixed just both of those two. So this is the finished look. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. So I definitely, this eye look came out more orange than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more, I mean, it definitely is peach. It's just a little bit more orangey peach, you know. I saw this palette, I was like, wow, this is going to be like a really light eye look. But I definitely was able to kind of deepen it up a little bit. I do wish there was like a darker brown in there or something, like, I don't know, just to deepen up the look a little bit, just because that brown really didn't deepen it up, just more so kind of made it more orange looking. Me personally, this isn't like a palette that I know I will reach for. If we're being completely honest, it's just not shades that I really ever use, and if I wanted to do something a little bit more orange, I'll just use the Orange You Glide palette because I love that one. I don't really like lean towards these colors. I just, I don't know, I either will do something like brighter orange or like a more rusty orange or something, and I don't really ever wear peach. So that's just my personal preference. The palette isn't bad. If you like these colors, then definitely, if you like it, then pick it up. I do think that this is pretty similar to Sweet Talk. I have Sweet Talk and I actually do like that one because it does have that Super Shock shadow in it. I think there is a pressed glitter in there too. I can't remember if there is or not, but it does have a Super Shock shadow in it, which I do like. But there's like a deeper brown in there and stuff too. So I like that palette a little bit more than this one. I don't really reach for that one either, but between the two, I think I like that one more. I definitely see a lot of people reaching for this like on an everyday basis. It's a really nice everyday palette. For me, it's just not something I reach for, but it is really cute, and the packaging, I love the packaging. The blushes, I love the blushes. I like this one that I was wearing. Fresh and peachy, and the packaging again on these, it's just as cute as the strawberry collection. I just love the packaging, and I really like the color of like the actual components. I think it's really cute. Business, it's just a little too light for me, but on fair skin tones, I feel like it'll look really nice. I wish there was like maybe a deeper peach or something like that for someone with a little bit more medium to deeper skin tones. Little Super Shock Shadow Trio is really good. I like the shades in here. Definitely really like these Super Shock shadows a lot, and I could see a lot of people gravitating towards them. I think they're really pretty, so I definitely would say this is probably maybe my second favorite thing in this collection. Peach Please Just a Tint lip bundle is so good. I love the Just a Tint lippies. I wear them every single day, so I was really happy to see that in this collection. So I definitely say if you don't have these shades already, which is Gimme S'more and Rise and Shine, I would definitely pick it up because the Just a Tints are amazing. I love them. The Nothing On little bundle, I really like this eyeliner, and I didn't think I would. Like, I don't really ever reach for brown liners or stuff like that, so I actually really like this. I will definitely be keeping this in my little drawer of like things that I reach for every day, just because sometimes the black is a little harsh. So this one is a little bit softer, but it still gives you that like definition to your eye, you know. And like I said earlier, I have used Brownie Points, and it is a nice brown mascara. Love the ColourPop BFF mascara formula. I use the black one every day. It's really good. So if you're in like searching for a brown mascara and like a really affordable one, this one is really good. Little Bellini BB lippy bundle with the lip balm and the lip scrubs are really nice, and I love the lip scrubs. I just didn't want to open it so I can give it away, you know. I feel like this collection is really geared towards like somebody that does a little bit more natural makeup, especially with like the colors in the palette, the Just a Tint lip crayons, the lippy balms, the brown mascara. I feel like this was really geared towards someone that does a little bit more natural makeup. Very like subtle. It's not anything too bright or crazy. And I know a lot of the 9 pans have been super colorful, so if you've been waiting for like something a little bit more subtle, this one is definitely for you. Really love the packaging. The packaging is what sells it for me. Not like my favorite collection, but I think it is still a nice collection if you are somebody that wears these tones all the time, which I would say a majority of people do. I would say if you're gonna pick anything up, I would pick up maybe the blushes, the Just a Tint lip bundle, and the little Super Shock Trio. I think those are my favorite things out of the collection. That is just my final thoughts. I hope that this was helpful for you. I hate when I don't have like a definitive like, yes, I love this, you need it, or like, no, this kind of sucks a review. It's just kind of like, I don't know. But like I said, if you are somebody that uses these tones all the time, I would definitely say if you want it, pick it up. You won't be disappointed with it. The formula and everything of everything is good. It's just like the tones is just like not something I really reach for, you know. This is helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.